back. More breaking on the budget here on NDTV Profit. The much anticipated new income tax bill could be unveiled as early as February 6th. It's expected to overhaul the existing Income Tax Act. Remember, this is something Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced in her budget. Shrimi Chaudhary joining in with more details.
Sources tell NDTV Profit that the draft of the new income tax bill could be unveiled on February 6th. What we've been given to understand, that bill is expected to suggest certain measures and rather direction to sort of widen the tax base, considering after increasing the exemption limit to up to 12 lakh from existing 7 lakh, there could be some contraction in the tax base. Also because the large number of taxpayers are at the bottom of the pyramid compared to the top one, and the idea is to bring informal sector also under the tax net. Other than that, there could be reduction in the total number of word counts to half, to around 3 lakh from the current 6 lakh. This also implies somewhere that they are done away with all the redundant provisions and section which has of no relevance at the current economic situation. In fact, many such provisions which are there before 2012 and 13 could be done away with. However, there could be certain broad exemption that will be given in terms of searches and notices which has been going on against companies or individuals, that will be there even in the draft bill, is what sense we are getting. Other than that, all the provisions which been announced on the February 1st budget, related to rationalization of TDS to TCS and also compliance measures, safe harbor rules, etc., that is going to be included in the draft proposal as well. After introducing the draft bill in the parliament, that will be shared with the parliamentary standing committee for their recommendation and reviews on the draft proposal. And in fact, government intend to sort of make the direct tax law simple and concise, and with that sort of viewpoint, they are going to have more deliberation and rather extensive deliberation for all the stakeholders. And that's why somewhere the sources tells us that being a very crucial bill which has a direct impact on the corporate and individuals both, so there is no sort of haste in terms of introducing the final bill, and that's why somewhere you would see that implementation may take longer and may happen later in the year.